The replacement bulb for this is a 4157. So pretty simple. All we're going to do is open the hatch, remove these screws. Oh, I'm in the shadow. Pull this housing away. This top one is the one that we're interested in. So you just have a quarter turn, half turn left to pull it out. Then pull out my bulbs. This is just straight up, pulls out straight. Pop in the new one. Just friction fit like that. Then put it back in the housing. With another turn to lock it into place. Then line up these male pieces, snap it back into place, and then let's test it. I don't know if you can see it with the sun, but we are back in business. Peace, skate.